Hey, it's SgtLocksmith. We're going to do another video here on changing the battery on your smart remote. If you do have your keyring attached, please remove it at this time. It'll make doing this task so much easier. You will need your battery, which is going to be a CR2032, and you will need a flat tip screwdriver. If you look on the back of your smart remote, you'll notice you do have this little metal tab here for your release mechanism. If you do have fingernails, you can go ahead and try. I found it doesn't work for me, so I'm gonna use a flat tip, put some pressure on there, and then grab your blade, and your emergency blade pops out. And if you look, this is a slight emergency blade came out. Then you have this little indentation that goes in, not even a quarter of an inch. That's where you want to put your flat tip screwdriver in. And when you put it in there, go ahead and twist your screwdriver. Doesn't matter if you go clockwise, counterclockwise, just put enough pressure, it'll pop open. You can use your fingernail to run down here, or you can use your flat tip. Just be careful. If you put too much pressure, you'll actually put some indentations in on the plastic. You notice here's your battery. Do not put pressure on that side when you go to lift. Just put the flat tip on this end, and just by sliding it in, the battery wants to come out. This is your CR2032 battery, and the remote housing, it even tells you positive side down. So we'll put positive side down, and when you put it in, the metal piece right through there is where you want the battery to push up to, because that's what's going to keep it in there. Once you put it in, take the two halves, and we're going to put them back together, and we're going to gently squeeze. And we'll go ahead and put the emergency blade back in. And if you got a key ring, go ahead and reattach it. But there you go, you've just changed the battery. Thanks for watching SgtLocksmith.